Hi friends, welcome to Educatetreeacademy. Academy. Today we are going to learn about sound. Why to waste time? Come on, let's start. Before starting the video, let's see a small intro and come back.
Friends, do you know someone is traveling through air? Who is that? Yes, you are absolutely correct. He is vibration. Vibration that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when the vibration reach a person or animal's ear is called sound. It is interesting now. Now you learn what is sound. Now let's proceed. Wow, what a pleasant sound. I am feeling like to fly in the sky. The sound which produces a pleasant effect on the ear is called as musical sound. Oh shit, I forgot. My friends are waiting at the railway station. Let's go. I think I have came early. My friends have not came to the railway station till now. Still they come, we'll learn more about the sound. You said train is coming. Its sound is irritating me. This type of sound is known as noise. The sounds which produce a jarring and unpleasant effects is called as noise. Friends, do you know there are two types of sound? About that, we will discuss in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.